I'm Cody and I'm a commercial installer here at B&D. Since I've gotten into the field, I kind of looked at it as a job when I was young, but I started learning more and more and more and taking more initiative in things, and I turned it into a career. It turned into a career for me. I really enjoy it. There's major opportunity for advancement at B&D. You work hard and it's not forgotten about. It makes the day much more enjoyable when you have guys that you can get along with and that appreciate your company, appreciate your help, and appreciate your work ethic.